Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, yet again to another freaking video. Today's gonna be a whole lot different than what it's been, you know, on the channel. You guys always see me fishing in Yuma. Today I'm gonna go do a little bit of urban pond slaying. I don't know what to expect. Probably, I don't expect a whole much actually. What I do know is that, you know, I'm not very rich. I don't got a lot of money, you know, so I want to go down to Bass Pro and pick out a couple finesse items that I think will catch fish at this pond that I'm gonna go to. It's like one of those community places you go to, or like, you know, the houses you see and there's like a big old lake behind it. I'm just gonna go to one of those. I'm gonna show you guys what I think, you know, what would work, and kind of pick it apart from there. But yeah, stay tuned guys. Today's video begins now. I have no high expectations set for today, but if we can catch one fish, I'll be super stoked. I'll be extremely happy with that. But yeah, other than that, let's go buy some baits and let's get to that little pond. Here we go. Stay tuned. Today's video begins now, people, and let's go get her did. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here at Bass Pro real quick, and I'm gonna give myself a little budget of $20 to $25. I know that's not a whole lot, but I'm seriously, like, I'm trying to keep it real simple so I don't overthink things and then go from there. So if I hope I picked the right bait, man. So I'll see you guys when I'm back at the car, and I'll show you guys what I bought. Here we go. All right, everyone, I am back inside. I saw the homie Dylan in there. Yeah, he helped me out. I was like, yo, I'm gonna fish this pond, or these types of ponds, and I was like, I don't know where to throw. He's like, all right, well, this is what you need to buy. So I got a Zoom Fluke. I love Zoom because there's always so many that come in the package. And then I got a 4-aught hook just because I need distance, you know, so this is about as finesse as I could get. So yeah, we're gonna go test that out. It cost me about 10 bucks. I saved $10 even more on my budget. So I don't want to get all complicated with that. I just want to stick simple and then go try it out. If it doesn't work, well, I got nothing to lose, you know. I'm out 10 bucks. So I'm gonna catch you guys at the pond, and here we go, people. Let's go get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here. It's time to fish. It's weird being in a big city where people can see you and you're walking around holding a camera and a fishing rod. Finesse bait right there, man. All right, let's go try to catch a freaking fish, peoples. Real quick background, I worked this pest control job here for a little while. Pretty much took a solid break from fishing and recording. I was doing like one video a month and it was terrible. But what I can take away from having a pest control job is I drove a lot, and so while I was doing this, I got this idea. I was like, okay, I'm gonna start pinpointing or marking down locations that I could possibly fish later in the future. This was one of them. I have like over 100 little red tags on my iPhone, on my maps, you know, saying where there's water. So now I'm here. Now I'm gonna do it. So we got bright bluebird skies, everybody. We got wind coming in from the I don't know, and I think this is a dead end here. So I know fish are spawning right now, so there could be some on bed, there could be some fish schooled up, so hence why I'm throwing a little shad style bait. So all I'm doing, guys, is trying to cover water. I don't know how to fish here, so what I'm doing is, like I said, covering water, making a fan cast out. Always fish the parallel. I know that. As far as like where the fish are, I have no clue. Are they by the pump? I don't know. Are they parallel to the bank? Probably, more than likely you have one or two hanging out like that. As far as like what they're eating and stuff, I don't know, you know. Jerk it, pause, you know, jerk it, get that bait to start going freaking crazy, and you trigger a reaction strike. And that's what the fishies like, man. They like a little reaction, they like a little shadley. Oh, bro, yo, dude, no way, bro, no way, dog. There was like 5 of them, dude. That was insane. I was like, holy shit. What? I gotta do that again. I don't know why I saw him grabbing. I was like, really? And then oh, what the dude? Oh. And of course, you know, they all just disappear. Oh, bro, that was insane how he hit that. Dude, I got one. Look at him, bro. He jumped airborne out of the water, guys, just to annihilate this thing, dude. I'm probably gonna run out of baits today. Look at that. Little urban bass, little bait, little tiny fish. Thank you so much, mister. I really appreciate you. You always got to kiss your fishies and put them back, guys. It puts good juju on you, you know? You got to love them. You got to show some love to them. Yo, that was insane. I'm like by a road right now. People going by. People are walking. Truly really weird for me. Like, you guys don't have any idea how weird. Look, I'm going to piss them off. I got to wiggle it, pause it. Oh, they came out of nothing, dude. That was so sick. Usually when a fish spooks away and then it comes back, it's because they're trying to make a bed somewhere. Hello? Good, dude. It's another day in the desert, you know? Alive and well. Yeah, you too, man. Have a good one. All right, fish. I brought one bait, so you guys better freaking eat it. I feel like I could drop shot and catch way more fish, guys, but you know, you see me with the drop shot rod in my hand. Just know the fishing's real tough then. Hit the parallel. And when I say I'm hitting the parallel, guys, parallel just means literally, here's the bank, throw parallel. Parallel means right by it, adjacent to it, in the same direction, into infinity, in either direction, you know, north or south or whatever it is. What I'm saying is I'm throwing, see, I don't know if you guys can see this, but look right here. So you have this, there's like layers to this, so it gets real deep right around, right over here. So that's where I want my bait at, because that's where I've noticed like a lot of these fish sitting. So when I'm throwing parallel, I'm trying to get out to that part of the water, so that way, you know, I'm in the strike zone of the fish, you know, wherever they're sitting. Because if I'm throwing real shallow, the fish, you know, maybe they don't want to go shallow. Oh, eat it. Oh, dude, oh. He's big, dude. What? Come on. You were kind of big. Man, he missed all 4 times. Look, he's right here. I jerked it out of his mouth all 4 times. Oh, come on. Am I seeing things? No. Oh, yes, dude. A little whippersnapper. Yeah, buddy. Get in the boat, son. Another little whippersnapper right there, people. That urban setting. I thought I was seeing things. I thought I was like going crazy right there. Fish. These fish are still cold. They're not warm yet, guys. Let's get a little release on. Okay. Boom. Thank you. Thank you, sweetheart. All right, everybody. I'll see you at the big camera. I'm kind of done doing this. So here we go. All right, boys and girls, I am finished up. I'm sitting in the car right here just to get out of the wind. I did a lot better than I thought I was gonna do. Actually, the day was a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. I went out Bass Pro fishing on a budget, you know, just because if you guys would like to support, you know, you guys can hit the links down below. You guys can cash at me or whatever you guys want just to keep the channel rolling. I'll do a lot more videos. But anyway, I went out to Bass Pro, went out, asked my buddy, hey, what do you think? Like, what would you throw? And he's like, I'll probably throw fluke. A jig would work. A drop shot would definitely work. So I was like, I don't want to go too finesse. So the fluke was perfect. Came out here, threw it, and honestly, I did really good on it, guys. I got 2 fish total. I missed like 3 or 4 other ones that were following it. And I was like, oh my gosh, you know, one had in his mouth. He was pretty big, and he spit it back out. I was like, God damn it, dude! I didn't set the hook. I literally watched him bite it, and I was just like, I don't know what I was excited. I bet if I came out here with another rod and reel and another bait, you know, different variations to choose from, I would absolutely slaughter it today, like no doubt in my mind. You know, I'm missing a lot of stuff, but I'm just gonna end the video here. If you guys want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button. You know, if you guys want to send a donation to the channel, you totally can. And then be on the lookout for the next one, peeps. So I'll catch you later. Peace. Fish on. Get out there and try it. I did it. You guys can do it too. So I love all you guys. Have a wonderful day. Fish on, homies. Fish on.